Calorie restrictions. In order to respect calorie restrictions set at the cookie shop, the mean number of calories for the 8 cookies must satisfy the following inequality. C squared minus 410C plus 42,000 is less than 0, where C is the mean number of calories for the 8 cookies. Your task is to determine a possible measurement for the missing side, which is line segment QR of the giant cookie. We haven't got to the giant cookie yet. In order to solve the giant cookie, I need to know how many calories I'm able to play with. I'm just looking at this parabola. I'm going to factor that. I want to find its zeros. I'm setting this equal to 0, and then I factor the 42,000. I'm looking for the factors of 42,000 that add up to give negative 410. It turns out to be negative 210 and negative 200. You could also use your quadratic formula for this. If I solve that, I get C minus 210 is equal to 0, C is equal to 210, or C minus 200 is equal to 0, C is equal to 200. But let's have a look at what this really is. So we have a parabola, something that looks like this. These are the two zeros, 200, 210. We want to know when the parabola is less than 0. We're talking about this region. I put hollow dots here. The interval for when it's less than 0 is when C is between 200 and 210, not including the 200, not including the 210. It means our calories have to be greater than 200, but less than 210 if I set up this inequality. And then I'm going to add together, there's 100 calories in a delightful, 250 in a tasty, 294 in a wacky, 205 in a lovely, 205 in a bright, 160 in a gluten-free, and 130 in a sugar-free. The only thing we don't know is the giant. I'm going to add all these together. That gives me 1,344 plus the giant divided by 8 is greater than the 200 and less than the 210. I'm going to multiply everything by 8, and that gives me 1,600 is less than 1,344 plus the calories in the giant is less than 1,680. I'm going to subtract 1,344 from all the sides. That gives me the giant has to be between 256 and 336 calories.